So today we're going to go ahead and show you how to do a removal and replacement of the taillight of your Chevy Equinox. If you're looking for good quality aftermarket parts that fit right the first time, look at TRQ. Using a flathead screwdriver or a small pry tool, simply go ahead and remove these two caps. You know, locate Phillips head or hex bolts right there. And using a 10mm socket and ratchet with an extension, simply go ahead and start to remove those. You can take them out fully and move to the lower bolt. With those two bolts removed, gently pull away out towards you. And here we have the taillight removed. You can see that there is a push pin here and a push pin here that insert into rubber body grommets. Next step is to apply a little bit of pressure to this clip and disconnect your light. So right now is a good time to go ahead and clean the taillight and the body of excess debris before your installation. Take the harness, line it up, press it until you hear it snap. Next is line up your body grommets. And install, press right back into the body. Next step is to reinstall your hardware. So you just snug those up lightly. Your final step is to go install these buttons. So once you get those buttons installed, that completes your job.